Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used Toyota Prius XL CVT. Now it's a 1.8 petrol hybrid automatic finished in this fabulous red exterior colouring. On the front of the vehicle you have got the LED daytime running lights. This brings a high-tech look to the exterior of the vehicle and also illuminates the road ahead amazingly when driving in low light conditions. Continuing down the sides of the vehicle, you have got your electronically adjustable door mirrors, black window surrounds and even rear tinted windows. Now it just helps bring out the red exterior colouring, but it also keeps any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot super safe. Also, you'll be able to see chrome detailing on both the Toyota and Prius badging on the boot door. Another exterior aspect which should be mentioned is the 15-inch lightweight alloy wheels. Now it just brings the whole look and feel of the vehicle together, truly making it stand out from the rest. But taking you back round to the rear of the vehicle now and showing you the boot space included. As you can see, there's lots of space available, making it ideal for transporting larger objects such as luggage when going away on holiday or even items such as prams. But if you do need any extra room though, you can fold your rear seats forward to create an extended boot. Now taking you into the rear seats, you will be able to see they're made out of a full black leather. This brings the amazing look of the exterior into the interior while also providing the utmost comfort. The middle seat also folds down to create an armrest as well as cup holders for your rear passengers, just adding the little details to make their experience more enjoyable. Moving into the front of the vehicle, and you will be able to see this car comes with a multi-function steering wheel as well as main infotainment display. You have also got your full black leather seating, now in a sports style for added comfort and looks. But the most important feature included with this interior is the JBL premium sound system, which makes for a super immersive experience. Showing you some of the high-tech features up close and personal now though, and starting with the multi-function steering wheel. This way you can control different aspects of the vehicle and without even needing to take your hands off of the steering wheel. This car also comes with a cruise control option which allows you to set and limit your speed, which is perfect for them long motorway journeys. On your dashboard you will also find your driver's display, and this is where any relevant information the driver will need to know will be shown, such as the current mileage, which is now at 74,647 miles. You can also use your multifunction steering wheel to go through all the different options and displays available to choose the best one for you as the driver. Taking you onto the main infotainment display now though, and this is where all the main features of the car can be found and even controlled. One of the features included is the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. Now this gives you a huge range of different stations and covers every type of genre of music. This car also comes with Bluetooth telephone connectivity, which allows you to seamlessly connect your phone to the vehicle to make and receive calls, and all without even needing to pick your phone up, so it ensures the driver is fully focused on the road ahead at all times. Another feature included with this display is the super reliable navigation system, and as it is a touchscreen display, it means you can move the map itself as well as zoom in and zoom out for your required distance. Now when the car is put into reverse, you will be able to see that a rear camera with parking guidelines does come up. This means that reversing and manoeuvring has never been easier for the driver, and it also protects the exterior look of the vehicle for longer. Just below your main infotainment display, you have also got your dual climate control. Now the great thing about dual climate is that you can adjust one side of the vehicle without affecting the other side, so it's completely tailored to both driver and front passenger. You've also got the additional bonus of front heated seats with 2 different heat settings. This is great for them cold winter mornings for both driver and front passenger. Now other features included on your centre console is a wireless charging pad, cup holders, media input and even a spacious centre armrest storage where you can store various items.